So we're looking at something called as co-prime. So we are going back to using our treasure hunt game to understand this. So remember the treasure hunt? So we had to choose where the treasures are and also choose the jumps as well. And then you get to jump. And you win if you are able to land at both the treasures. So using this, but with a twist. The twist being here, we are given the chance to place the treasure. So we will get to place the treasure where the treasures are, right? Like this. And say this. And the system will choose the jump size. Here I'm able to choose the jump size for myself. But in the next case, in this section, the system will choose. So the game is that we need to hide the treasure in such a way that the system will not be able to win the game. So one main thing that you have to keep in mind, that system will not be able to choose 1 as its jumping size. That's the only caveat or only hindrance blockage it has. If not, it can choose any number. We have to place a treasure between 1 to 50, and the system will choose the size and it will try to go to both the treasures. If it's not able to go to both the treasures, we win. So I already have chosen few set of numbers so that I'm able to show you guys the variation. So I'm choosing the first number to be 12 and the second to be 26. Let's see if the system is able to win the game. Okay, it was able to catch up to the first one. And it was able to catch up to the second one as well. So this one we lost. So next one is 4 and 9. Let's try doing that. First treasure I'm placing at 4. Next treasure I'm placing at 9. So let's see. So it won the first jump. It was able to find the first treasure, and no, it was not able to find the second treasure. So second game we won. Next is 15 and 39. 15 and 39. Let's see if we can win. Okay, it was able to get the first one. Let's see if it is able to get the second one as well. Oh, we lost this. So we happen to win this only, right? We won this. This too we lost. And this we won. Now, is there any speciality between these two numbers? Why did we win this but not this two? This two pair. Why didn't we win it over there but we won 4 and 9? A hint, it has to do with the name of the topic. That's your hint. Do you guys remember what is a prime number? Prime numbers are numbers which has a factors of 1 and itself and nothing else. For example, say 17. Okay. So 17 can be divided by 1 and 17 and nothing else. While 8 not a prime number. Why? It has it is divisible by 1 and 8 and also 2 and 4. So it's not a prime number. Now what is this co-prime number? Have you heard of the word co? Note on co. Where is this co? Where do we get to see that? Co is in, I am able to remember coordination. cooperation. So all of these words, if you guys, carefully see, this has to do with at least two things. Coordination between two people, cooperation between two people, two society, so on and so forth, two or more society. Right? Different scenario. There's a ants coordinate between each other. So this co has to be to do something with two things. So two things being prime. Did give a hint? Prime numbers are numbers wherein they share no other common factor other than 1. That is, only 1 can divide both the numbers and no other number can divide both the numbers. For example, 4 and 9. 4 has a factor of 4 is what? 1, 2 and 4. While that of 9 is 1, 3 and 9. So what is the common? So what is the common factor? Common factor is, what is the common factor? Sorry, that's my OS. Okay. What is the common factor? It's just 1. Do you guys agree? While if I take up any other number which we did in the above discussion, let me go here. No, it's okay. I need to use that. So 15 and 39. Say 15 and 39. So we have 15 and we have 39. 15 is divisible by 1, 3, 5 and 15. 39 is divisible by 1, 3, 13 and 39 itself. Right? Can you see that the common factors over here is 1 and 3? And so they are not co-prime. So let me use a Venn diagram to show that. So we have factor of 4 and let me give one more example. Say 14, right? And factor of 15. So what is the factor of 14? 1, then 2 and 7. While the factor of 15 is 1, 15, okay, let me change the color actually. 1, 15, 3, 5 and nothing else. So you can see that only 1 is the common factor. When this happens, when only 1 is the common factor, they are said to be co-prime. As simple as that. So this is a example of co-prime. This is not a co-prime. Okay, so that is your co-prime. Please try to trick the jumpy and see to that you guys win at least few games and lose as well. Try both.